Hello. Hello. I'm going to be doing this video for those who have issues on how to hold chords. You know, you know how to play the chords, but holding them is somehow an issue. For starters, let me use the key of F to demonstrate for you. You play your chord 1 this way, which is an add 9 in the root position. Okay. Now, for your chord 2, make sure you're always playing a minor 7. You can play it in this position, or you can play it in this position. Okay, so let me remove this. So you play on your left the power chord, and then you play a chord 4 like this. So this way or this way. And then for your chord 3, make sure you play this way. Alright, still minor 7. Then your chord 4, another add 9. Your chord 5, make sure you are playing an add 9 also. And then for chord 6, you can play it this way if you are not starting the song. Okay, it depends. For chord 6, you can either play the root position of a triad or a minor add 9, depending on what you are playing. Or you go with this if it is part of a progression and not the beginning. And then for 7, play a 5 on your right and then a 7 on your left, and then back to 1. Okay, so for the 6, what I was showing you about, for example, this song,